My name is Brian Yancey, outside service with UNIQ Machinery, and today we're going to discuss the proper method to import a Cutlist from our Cutlist generator found on the UNIQ Machinery website to the UNIQ controller. Okay, so first we're going to start with actually putting the Cutlist on your USB drive. Follow the directions on the Excel spreadsheet. Make sure you produce a macro and then save the macro onto your USB. Now there are instructions in the Excel spreadsheet to do that. Just make sure you follow them. So this is our UNIQ controller. You can find the USB port down here at the bottom left. We're going to plug our USB drive into said port. Going to access your import-export. Import set path. Find storage card USB. I'm going to hit OK. Select the file that we want to import. I'm going to hit OK. We're going to import. Import completed. Then we're going to check to make sure that it is completed by going to our job entry and verifying that the numbers we're looking for are in fact uploaded. Now that you've completed your import, in the case you need to export a file, you haven't completed a job, you're going to come back to the job later and you don't want to lose that information. We're going to go right back to the import-export screen. We're going to export set path. Again, we're going to select our USB. We're going to hit OK. We'll give it a file name, A, B, C. Enter. Then we're going to hit export. It will export that information and give you a confirmation when completed. When your export or your import is complete, make sure you select eject USB. Make sure it says safe to remove USB. Remove your USB from the controller. Make sure you close that port back up so you don't get any water in there if it rains. This video is solely on the import and export of files. For additional information on your UNIQ controller, visit our website or our YouTube channel to see other videos on usage of the UNIQ controller.